friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditly Has Plans. In today's video, we are taking a look at my latest sticker orders from Planner Kate and Fern Creek Stickers. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so what I have today are a couple of kits that'll finish out January for me, as well as get me started into February. I kind of sat down about a couple of weeks ago and looked at, okay, what kits did I have already for January that maybe I didn't use last year that I could reuse or piece together, and then what am I looking at going into February? So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put the Fern Creek sticker stuff to the side here, and we will start with Planner Kate. She's got her card here, and PKLove20 is the discount code that I use for her shop. It saves you 20% off. So that's that. And then let's take a look at all of, I feel like there's a ton of little freebies in here. So these are pretty, these sort of pastel habit trackers. I always like having habit trackers. We've got some little dots here, some time stickers. These are cute. They're a little different. They have a little arrow shape to them. They're different from the ones I use from Phoenix Plans. We've got some doodle girls. Love those. Utensils. I have a lot of these. And then a couple of pastel rainbow colored quarter boxes. Okay, so that's that. Those are the freebies. And then this is kit 405, and it's called It's Love. So I have add-on 12 and 11. So appointment labels and then basic labels. I've got the date strips, which is add-on 2. This is sized for plum paper because I'm staying in a plum paper vertical for my main life work planner. I love the new font that she has here. So this is all reformatted. I love the numbers. They're so cute. I love the way that looks. And then this is sheet 2 for the monthly. I love this. Lots and lots of labels here. These are cute little doodles here. And then this is the sheet 1, H1. That's really darling. I love the hearts. They're so cute. So this is sized for Erin Condren, which means I will be using this in my social media for the monthly. And then I did get enough to do a weekly in my plum paper. So this is the sampler, sheet C. Look at all these doodles you get now. It's totally been revamped, all new fonts. Happy Valentine's Day. So this will be the kit that I use for Valentine's Day. I got the washi strips. Really cute little coffee mugs. I love these little polka dotted ones. And then the full boxes. So that's that. So there's enough here. So this is what I will use for my weekly. Put that there. And then I will use appointment labels in the weekly. And then for my social media, which is an Erin Condren monthly, I'll use these 3 sheets, the basic labels as well as sheet 1 and 2. So that's what I purchased from Planner Kate. Again, those are for February. So then let's start looking at what we have here from Fern Creek Stickers. Quite a few little things. So here's her business card. She has a code THANKS15 for 15% off your order. Okay, so let's look at these freebies. We've got some cute little Post-it notes. Cute little, oh, I love all the doggy paws. Cute little icons here. The houses, little cars. Okay, so this is the Black Friday freebie. That's cute with all the little icons. And then this was my custom freebie with my code Christy15. So if you're placing an order before the end of the year, you can still use that and get your discount. So those are the freebies. Okay, so let's look at, this is kit 105, and this kit is called Love Note. So again, February, I usually go all love all the time. So I have sheet E, which is basic labels. I have the essentials, which is the date headers. I have full boxes. These are so cute. I love sort of this stamp look. That's so sweet. I love that. And then the washi. This is really cute. I like this washi up here. I love that color for some reason. And then the essentials page. This is cute with all the little happy mails, all the little Valentines. This is really sweet. I love the pink and the green. Okay, so that's kit 105. And then let's see. Oh, there's more. This is kind of 2 orders combined, so there's more freebies here. I've got some scripts, check boxes. Oh, this will come in handy. I love these colors. Oh, this one's kind of fall, and then holiday, Christmas themed, and then my freebie again. Okay, so this is just sort of a random sheet. This is kit 106, which was called Twilight Garden, and I realized when I had ordered this kit, I forgot to get some additional appointment labels, so that's what that's for. Okay, so this is kit 100. It is called Snowflake, and I have here some bottom washi. So I just loved this snowflake print, so I wanted that. I've got the appointment labels here. I've got the date headers, some decorative and functional boxes, as well as the essentials sheet. So when I ordered this kit, you can kind of tell, like I kind of do like 4 or 5 main sheets. This did not have the full boxes available. It was already sold out, so that's why I bought this sheet instead. But normally when I buy from Fern Creek Stickers, I always get the essentials, I'll get the washi, the full boxes, the dates, and some appointment labels. So this kit here, because some things were sold out, I kind of did things a little bit differently than I normally would. They didn't have the full boxes and they didn't have the washi, so I just got this. So I'll make it work. Okay, and the next is kit 103. So I have a couple of different things here. I've got this for my budget. I've got sinking funds, savings tracker, and I got some washi here. So what I plan to do is, because my budget planner is now a happy planner, on the monthly spread, I'm going to use some of this wider washi because the happy planner is a little bit narrower at the top. So I'm going to use some of this to do the monthly spread, and then my 2 trackers that I make out of that. And then I also bought stickers for a weekly spread. So I have, again, those same sheets, the date headers. I've got functional boxes here, decorative and functional. And then I've got another sheet of washi. I've got appointment labels, and then I've got the essentials. I love this washi here, this sort of watercolor look. That's so pretty. So that's that kit. Let's move all of these over to the side here. And then this was the December mystery kit. So if you haven't already seen this, you can go ahead and pause or mute. So this is the freebie. This is like a full, like, I don't know, they call this a half sheet? I don't know, but that's a huge freebie with all kinds of little clip art on here. Okay, and then there's some more mystery doodles here. And then I have the extras, which is date covers for 2 weeks. Lots of habit trackers, love that. A couple of daily trackers. And then we have the washi. This looks so good. I love the colors in this. This maroon and the kind of the pink. Decorative and functional boxes. Some labels, appointment labels, as well as check boxes. This is such a great sheet here. All of these scripts. Again, this is enough for 2 weeks. So look at all of these scripts we have here. This is awesome. And then full boxes, coffee and plan. So that was the December mystery kit. I love her mystery kits. They're so good. And then I did pick up another of the Bohemian Rainbow sticker album. It is the small size. Again, I love the quality. The reason why I picked this up is I love the quality of these books. The vinyl plastic here that the sheets are made of is so nice and thick, and it loads on both sides. So you can load on this side and this side. So I love that. So I bought another one of these so I can start organizing my stickers. So that's pretty much it. So let me bring all of these back in. Okay, friends, so that's kind of the spread. Lots of new kits, so I think I'm good and set for January and February of 2022. Can you believe it? Alrighty, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.